Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So today's video is on a flawless makeup look, and you know that the base to every flawless makeup look is a good skincare routine. So here my skin was behaving well a little, so I just decided to film a flawless makeup look. So I'm using very little amount of foundation because my skin already looks a bit clear. I don't want to say totally clear, but it just looks clear at this point. So I'm using very little amount of foundation. I was actually talking in the video like I wanted it to be a video without voiceover, but at some point I started gisting with my sister, so I ended up just deciding to make voiceovers instead. So here I've used my foundation and I'm using this makeup brush, this foundation brush to blend that in, and after that I'm using very little amount of concealer. I don't know if this is little. It appeared little, but when I blended it in, it didn't look so little anymore. So this is just me putting concealer at the both ends of my eyes. Yeah, in my inner corner, I'm at my outer corner, kind of. Yeah, so I'm using this brush. This brush is actually very funny. If you see it in real life, this brush is actually very funny, but it does a lot of wonders for me. Since it's small, it gets to blend under my eyes, and the way the brush is packed, it actually blends in products very well. So I still use it even if it looks funny. So this is me blending in my foundation, and yeah, I was just doing the fine girl check. I kept on blending. So this is me still blending. Okay, after I was done with my foundation and my concealer, the next thing I'm doing is to use my setting powder to set my eyes, because I use foundation there also, so I'm just setting my eyes so I can start with my eyeshadow or whatever it is I want to do on my eyes. So today I'm using I actually wanted to do cloud look here. Oh no, I wanted to do cloud look, like a cloud eyeliner, but I was like, does yellow really look good? I just changed my mind and decided to just do like normal graphics liner with a purple color, and that's what I'm doing here. I was already a little bit upset because what I really wanted to do was the cloud look, and I was just wondering why did I change my mind. But in the end, it turned out nice, so I wasn't really all that upset anymore. So this is me using this brush. I don't know the name of the brush. So it just has like a pointed edge, a pointed mouth. So I'm just dipping it into the color, and I'm using that to draw the upper part of my eyelids. And I'm using this brush to kind of make sure that there's no excesses anywhere, and that is literally what I'm doing here. So I was just having fun with the whole process. So this is me doing my eyeliner. I actually feel that my eyeliner is actually one of my favorite makeup processes. I don't know, cause it literally changes everything. If you ask me, like, it just brings out this subtle and cute part of the makeup. So this is me after using my eyeliner. I was looking cute, I was looking dope. Ignore my forehead. I don't know why my forehead is shining. Probably because I just got my hair done. I did my hair like 3 days before this video, either 3 or 4 days before this video. And here I'm using my mascara because baby girl doesn't wear lashes, because my eyes are very good, so we don't wear lashes here. So I'm just doing my I'm just doing my mascara, and I'm being very careful because my eyes are highly sensitive and overly reactive. So I'm still using my cute brush to just make sure everything is nice. So that was me setting my concealer or setting my face. So this is me using blush. I used very little blush, and I'm using this big foundation brush to just buff everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines, because we said flawless, right? Flawless makeup look, so there should not be any form of harsh lines. So I'm just blending in. So this is highlighter. This highlighter shade is actually a little bit too light for me, but I mean that's what I had at the moment, so I just had to use it. And this is made with my brows. Life can actually change a lot for a lot of people with time, because when I started doing makeup, I used to do my brows first, and now subconsciously, I don't even know, I just end up doing my brows last instead of doing them first. After my brows, I'm lining my lips. Speaking of changes, I didn't used to line my lips before. Now my sister used to tell me that lining your lips can actually change the way your makeup looks, and I just thought I didn't need to line my lips. And as I grew older, I just found myself lining my lips, and I don't want to go back to not lining my lips. So this is me using a brown pencil to line my lip, and using a little bit of setting spray. And as you guys know, I always like to go back with my foundation brush to pat everything down after using the setting spray. And this is me using my go-to clear lip gloss. I don't know why I can't wear something else outside clear lip gloss, but I'm going to do a video on this channel soon, and I'm going to try out all the colors, probably red or something. So I'm using my mascara wand to brush my brows, and my brows are looking as natural as possible because we don't want anything heavy here. So this is me brushing my brows. I was looking cute, so I just said to use purple for my underlid, if that's what it's called, and it kind of just made it look a little bit cuter. And yeah, I was smiling. My sister was telling me very funny things. I wonder what she was saying, but she just saying lots of funny things, and I couldn't help but laugh. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think. This look is so simple and it's so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye.